They're the necessities we use every day. Pain relievers, cough and cold medicine, antacids, allergy relief. In the United States, billions of dollars are spent on over-the-counter drugs every year. But there's a simple way to save money on these medications without sacrificing safety, quality, or effectiveness: buying store brands. Store brand medications provide the same active ingredients and relief as their brand name counterparts, but cost considerably less.
All pharmaceutical and drug products in the United States are regulated by the Food and Drug Administration to be exactly the same. And so they have to have the same active ingredients, they have to perform the same in the human body as do the brands. We also go through the additional step of getting them tested independently by a third party to ensure that they are exactly the same and do perform exactly the same as the brands.
Store brand medications and nutritional products can be found alongside their name brand counterparts in nearly every major retail store in the United States. A side-by-side comparison shows the ingredients are the same. The only difference, the price.
Consumers can expect to save a tremendous amount of money every year if they make the choice to use store brand products. What is a tremendous amount? On a lower price product, that could be 50 cents or $1 on a purchase. But on a chronic ailment product, something that you're buying every week, you could expect to save $10, $15, even $20 a week by purchasing the store brand alternative.
Store brand and generic prescription pharmaceuticals can provide relief from many common ailments you and your family face. And store brand nutrition products, such as vitamins, supplements, and infant formula, can support good health, all at a fraction of the cost of their name brand counterparts. Consumers looking for new ways to cut costs are finding that store brands and generic pharmaceuticals provide quality care and significant value.
I think there's a very bright future for store brand pharmaceutical products because of the fact that consumers in the United States are becoming increasingly comfortable with the concept of saving money and taking part in their own health and well-being by buying store brand products. Add to that the reality that we believe about $10 billion of prescription products that will be switched to over-the-counter usage in the next several years, thereby creating an even larger opportunity for consumers to participate in saving money in their own health and well-being. So for that reason, I think there is a tremendously bright future for store brands.
Perrigo is the world's largest manufacturer of over-the-counter pharmaceutical products and infant formulas for the store brand market. In fact, 1,500 Perrigo-made tablets are taken every second of every day. Perrigo products save consumers $5 billion every year. Perrigo's store brand products can be found in nearly every major retail store in the United States.
Breadth of Perrigo products across the OTC categories crosses about 15 different product categories, and we have close to 1,000 different products that encompass those categories. Things like analgesics, cough cold remedies, gastrointestinal products, nicotine replacement therapy products.
The consumer in the end saves about 25 to 30% off buying a national brand, and they get the same high quality, highly efficacious product that they would get otherwise. So they save. The retailer at the same time makes more money on our product than they do on selling the national brand. And so they actually benefit even though they're giving their consumer a big benefit by buying our product.
We do produce over 250 different prescription products along various dosage forms, including creams and ointments and gels and suppositories, nasal sprays, oral liquids, and oral solids. We currently sell more than 1 million scripts every week, so there are dozens of millions of Americans who are enjoying our products every year.
Perrigo company store brand over-the-counter and nutritional products have saved consumers many billions of dollars in healthcare costs over the years. Making affordable, quality healthcare products available to consumers is Perrigo's mission.
Every single year, Perrigo manufactures 45 billion tablets. When you do the math on that, it turns out every second of every day, somewhere in the world, 1,400 people take a Perrigo product. It makes us one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world as measured by volume of tablets consumed every single year. One of the important considerations for quality, affordable healthcare is making sure that you can make the product the best quality, because it's your reputation on the line every time someone takes one of your products. Making sure that you have good customer service when a customer orders your product, ensuring that we come out with the new products in a very timely fashion, that we can keep our cost structure low so we can compete with anyone in the world, and importantly, we try to look at what it is in terms of developing our people to ensure that we're ready not just for the next year, but for the next 125 years as a company.
As more brand name products have become available for store brand and generic production, Perrigo has experienced significant growth, a boon to the struggling Michigan economy where Perrigo is headquartered.
Perrigo has contributed significantly to the local economy. Michigan as a state has had a challenging economy, but with Perrigo's focus on quality, affordable healthcare, we've been able to bring additional jobs to the community. We've been able to support through our Perrigo Foundation, the local hospital and local medical facilities to allow us to improve the local economy with jobs, with support for healthcare facilities, and importantly, just the employees here at Perrigo have given back to the community in a very significant way, which we think is a very important part of what we do as a company.
Perrigo, providing the world with quality, affordable healthcare products. Visit us online at perrigo.com.